Hey everybody, this is Chadley again with Metalworks. Wanted to show you the chassis for the 55 Chevy build. This is an Art Morrison GT Sport chassis with their IRS option. Really beautiful chassis. It's almost a shame to cover them up. They're such a piece of art. Again, you guys can follow the entire build of the 55 on metalworksclassics.com. The body is in the fab shop beginning to metalwork here very shortly. But again, I just want to give you a quick peek at this chassis since it's here in its raw form before we start blowing this apart and getting it painted up. We are also Art Morrison's largest dealer, so if you guys have ever thought about getting a chassis and you had questions, feel free to give the shop a call here at 541-341-3372. We'd be glad to answer any questions you might have about Morrison chassis. Alright, thanks for checking in. We'll be back with you guys soon. Take care.